Hello guys, hope you're doing fine. Okay, let's dive into the charts. This is the US 100 chart. The date is 6 June 2025. As you can see, this is a trading US 100 chart. This is the daily time frame. Let's see what the market is doing today. This shows the previous day high. Let's mark the previous day high at the top of this candle. You can see the high here, OHLC. Let's mark the previous day low here on the low of this candle. As you can see, there's a gap between the close of this candle and the opening of this candle. We will label is that new day opening gap, or should I say end dog. But it's hard that price is gonna go there, so I think we'll just leave it for today. Today was non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate. Those of you guys who are beginners who don't know what non-farm payrolls are, it's a very high impact news. And also you can see the news here on the bottom of the screen. As you can see here, the forecasted was 130, but it actually came 139,000, which is bullish. There was also unemployment rate, but the non-farm payrolls are more high impact news. The non-farm payrolls happen on the first of every month, the first Friday of every month. You shouldn't trade before non-farm payrolls, or unless you have insider information, then you can trade before non-farm payrolls. It's best if you trade at 9:30 after the non-farm payrolls. And if you're a beginner, you shouldn't even trade this day. Just take a day off and go. So let's see what's gonna happen now. As you can see, this is live data. Let's dive into 4-hour time frame. The market looks bullish. Also, because the non-farm payrolls came very bullish. Mostly 80 to 90% of the time, the markets tend to follow the direction of the news. I think the market's target will be this previous day high at 896, 894 should I say. Let's eyeball it here. This is the 4-hour time frame. Now let's go to the 1 hour. This market shows strong bullish sign. It's in a 1 hour bearish FEG, as you can see here. Imbalance. The low from the low of this candle to the high of this candle, and the body between that, the body of the middle candle between. Now let's dive down to 15-minute time frame. The 15-minute candle is about to close. As you can see, only 55 seconds left. Let's see what will target. There's also a untapped bearish FEG here. Let's see if you can find a trade. First, let's favorite the 1-minute time frame so you can access it easily. Here's the 1-minute chart. This is the market opening level at 9:30. It went a little below, cleared this sell side, and then pumped. But you shouldn't trade the first 15 minutes of the market opening. It's very volatile, just let it go. And even if you're new trader, you shouldn't even trade the first 30 minutes. Just start trading at 10. It's easier that way. Now we're gonna wait if market gives us any setup. We're looking for buys, hopefully, until that previous day high gets taken at 894. Now we just have to wait along. Market is showing bullish signs. Let's see where it goes. Mostly trading is just a waiting game. Just have to wait for it. The market only made a bullish effigy here on the 1 minute time frame. That's before the 936. Let's see if we can find a trade. Let's go to the 15-minute time frame. Here is the bearish effigy at 51833. I'm gonna wait for a bullish setup to form. I think it will take some time for the setup to form, but that's what trading is. Just have to wait for. Most of trading is trying to not to take a trade because you're very tempted to take a trade. Let's just shuffle through the charts. See, we can see in the higher time frame clearly. The market was going like this. It crashed, took all this liquidity. This is a 1 hour time frame. Then it's pumping again, and also by the impact of the non-farm payrolls because they came bullish. See the 4s. 4 also looks good. Let's wait for the market. I think it would be best if we wait for the 1 hour and 4 hour time frame to close. Only, as you can see here, almost 10 minutes left. Let's see. This candle closes till here. There is a bullish FAG, and also there is another breakage of this swing high. Means the price still wants to go up. 823, 826. I'm hesitant to buy here because, as you can see, there is a trade, but I think a retracement should come a little lower. That's why I'm not gonna buy. We're gonna wait. We're still waiting for the 955. We're gonna wait for it. The 104 hour candle is about to close. We're gonna see how does they close. Only 1 minute and 30 seconds left. Let's see. If you guys don't understand anything and you wanna learn something, you can DM me. You can go, there's a link to my Instagram account. You can click it and then DM me on Insta. We're just gonna wait here. Also, you can comment and suggestions would also be appreciated. So comment down below what you want me to do. As you can see, one hour candle is about to close. One hour candle is closed now. It gave us a very bullish close. The 4 hour candle too. We're gonna drop down again to 15 minutes. Everything looks bullish. There is also a market structure shift here. We're gonna wait and see if an FVG forms. Let's see how does this candle close. Oh, there's no FVG. We're gonna wait a little more. Mostly at the first starting 5 to 10 minutes of the candle after 10, it mostly goes manipulates retail traders and goes against where it really wants to go. It's okay, we're just gonna wait for it. You always have to wait for your setup. Sometimes it will happen that the market will leave you, will go to your targets without you ever taking a trade. But most of the time, your setup is gonna save you from unnecessary losses. Let's just wait. Just wait and see what the market is doing. Scroll down again to 15 minutes. There is an untapped bullish FVG here at the starting of this candle when NFV came out. The market could tap here, but I don't think. I think it's first gonna take this one and then it's gonna tap here. But if it does tap here first, then I think we're gonna take a trade at the end of till 10:45 or 10:50. Let's see what the market offers. Currently, I'm not looking to sell. Let's drop down again to 1 minute. The market did make a bearish FEG here, imbalance. It's tapping into it and got rejected. Let's see, but I'm still not looking to take any sells. I'm just gonna wait for my perfect buy. If it crashes down here, could be aiming for this FEG. Right here, this bullish FEG. I'm just gonna wait for it to give me a good buy. See the daily time frame again. Yes. We're just gonna wait. Six minutes past 10. It's just a waiting game now. The market seems to be a little slow now, to be honest. Market seems to have a bullish candles now. Let's see if we can find a trade or not. I honestly wanted to take this F swing high and then give us a bullish FVG. That would be a good trade, but we don't always get what we want. Let's wait for it. Let's just wait and sip tea. And I'll take my tea with these trading sessions for the headache. A lot of thick bearish candles, but we're gonna stick with our bias of buying. Selling against the non-farm payroll is not a very good idea. Let's see. It's okay if you don't find a trade today. You don't need to trade every day until you get a good bias. And also, aside from the non-farm payrolls, the market has taken a lot of sell-side liquidity here, as you can see, the last day and this morning. And its next to the liquidity target will be this previous day high. So that's our main target will be that. And we're going to wait for the buy setup to form. It could very much happen that the market taps into this bullish FEG and then gives us a setup. The market is kind of just gyrating around, ranging. Let's see how does the 15-minute candle do this. It's kind of bearish. We're just gonna wait for now. I don't like anything I see. market has become very dull. It's just ranging here, here, here. Sometimes the market will do that to you, just to test you. You gotta remain strong with your bias and everything. Let's see how does the 15-minute candle close. It didn't close that bearish. Still a big chance that the price is gonna go up towards here to stay high. Let's just wait for it. The market has made a bullish FEG here, but it hasn't given us any market structure shift here. If it closes, if it gets a strong bullish candle above this high, then we can look for buys. We can buy, putting a sell over here. But it hasn't done that yet, so let's just wait for it. We're just gonna wait here. I'm gonna speak when I see something of value. For now, it's just gyrating, consolidating. Let's just wait for it. The session is very dead, to be honest. Nothing is happening. All this gyrating from like for about like 30 minutes. It's going nowhere. To be honest, I want to see tap into this FVG. and then go up, giving us the buy settle. But let's see what happens. Now it has tapped into this bullish effigy. As you can see, the market did tap into this effigy, but just violated right through it. Now it's gonna take this sell side liquidity here, and there was also 15-minute bullish effigy here. Next 15-minute kind of has closed bearish to be honest. But let's see. Let's see if we can find a trade today. It's okay if you don't find a trade every day. You don't need to find a trade every day. Just need to have good trades. The market has taken this low and the liquidity with it. If it continues to go down, its next target would be these lows and this FEG here. To be honest, there's a big chance now if it taps over here at 21713 into this FEG before going up here. But let's wait and see what the market tells us. It has taken this sell liquidity here. It's pumping now. Let's wait for it. I mostly don't like to take trades in this time between 10:30 to 10:45 because mostly price gives fake outs in this time. As you can see, the time is 10:34. So unless price gives me something really good, it's better that we wait till 10:45, 10:50. Price seems to be pumping now. It has to convince me to buy. It has taken the sell side liquidity here. But most of the time, in this time between this 15 minutes, as I told you, 10:30, 10:45, the price is giving fake outs. So let's just see if we can find a really good trade. Otherwise, we won't get into it. Seems to be going strong. At least let's just wait to see how does the 5-minute candle end. Price has given bullish FEGs now. Waiting is always better than just chasing price. If you don't lose the money in a day, it's also called a winning day because you didn't make a bad decision. You kept your money. Think like that. As I mostly say to myself, you're not here to make money, you're here to follow your rules. Just keep following your rules. Money will come itself. Don't focus on the money too much or you'll become greedy. It looks kind of good in 3 minutes. We're still gonna wait. The 5 minutes is also about to close. We're gonna wait for it. The 5 minutes candle has closed bullish. Now let's see if we can find a good SL and a good trade. Normally I would like the SL to be at here at 755. Let's see. It seems to be moving up. If price goes without us, after all sweating, then the pain would be very excruciating. Sometimes that happens too. That's what hurts the most in trading. Now we're gonna look to buy. Let's wait a little. I would like to see tap into this FEG for me to buy. It has also made another bullish FEG here, as you can see. I'm gonna wait till I get a good SL because price could easily come and retest here. find a good trade at 8.5, we can put our SL here. I normally like to take only 300 ticks of risk. Those are the normal trades. Seems like we will not get the asset today, but that's okay. Now we can also put a SL here at 774. But I'm gonna wait till this candle closes. The close of the previous candle was an ordered curve. Maybe we can find a good asset. 15-minute candle is also about to close. So let's just wait and see how it closes. The 15-minute candle closes like that, big, thick, bullish. The probabilities of the price going up here and then up from here are very big. Let's see how the 15-minute candle closes. It gave us a good strong bullish close. Now I'll buy if I find a good SL, preferably an SL at 785. Sorry, an entry at 785. Let's see what the market gives us. Tapped into it. Let's just wait a little for it. I'm gonna go in now. We're in the trade. We're gonna put our SL around 300 ticks, which is around here, 900, right? And we're gonna put our TP. Let's get this out of the way. We're gonna put our TP here, the high of that. Now we just have to wait. price seems to be going in our favor, but who knows? The probabilities are high, so we're just gonna wait for it. Let's see how the 5 minute is doing. Doing good, I see. We're just gonna wait for it. Already have 300 bucks here. We gotta wait for it. Our risk to reward is around, we can say, 1 ratio 1.3, 1 ratio 1.5, you can say. You could hold it to this previous day high, but that would be a very, very long trade, and I'm a scalper. I just like to get in, get my money, and get out. You could be an intraday trader or a swing trader, depending on how much patience do you have and how much stress can you take. I like to scalp. This is a little. If price takes these highs till here, 21,815, I'm gonna trail myself up till here. It's 774. Let's wait and see. This has become a very long session. Due to all of this gyrating over here. Now we just have to wait and see. I'm currently trading on a 100k account, 100k trading paper trading account. If you guys don't know what paper trading is, it's demo trading. Means it's fake money. I do have a real account, but I just show my results with the help of a demo trading account. If the price takes these highs, I'm gonna trade myself till here. I have only taken like 0.9% risk on my account, and I tend to make almost 1.2%. You can say 1.15 to be exact. Price was moving very energetically before the 9:30 opening, even after a little while after the 9:30 opening, but it has become very dull now. The 1 hour candle is also about to close. 5 minutes left. If the 1 hour candle closes like bearish till here or here, then it could mean it wants to go tap into this bullish FEG. To be honest, I think it's gonna take this high first. Let's see the 15 minutes. Still looking good. 4 minutes left for the 15 minutes to close. I want to see this candle bullish at least till here. If that happens, it will be best. Let's just wait for it. We just have to wait and see. Now we're in a little negative. Let's see what happens. I want to see how the 1 hour closes before making any decision. The 1 hour and the 15-minute closes. Only almost 2 minutes left for the 15 minutes to close. We're back in green again and back in red again. Let's just wait for it. Let's see how does the 15-minute candle close. It happened exactly as I said at the start, that the price is gonna gyrate around and we're gonna find a good entry around 1050, and that's what happened. Now let's see if we can get our TP hit. 1 minute left for the 15-minute candle to close. Let's see how it closes. I might close my trade break even. Might. It all depends how the 1 hour and 15-minute closes. And for odds, it looks pretty good, to be honest, to buy. If you are scalpers, our SL is very short, so it could easily get hit. You can't hold till the 4 hours. If 1 hour has closed, the 15-minute has also closed. Don't like it. Now we can wait. Let's see. Well, that's a good reaction. Let's see if the price can keep it up. Going down again. I'm gonna close this trade at break even. I don't care now. I'm not liking the price action today. It's also because of the NFP, but mostly the price action is good in NFPs. Post NFPs, should I say. And close trade. Well, this is it for today. We only made like, where's the history? Count history, like $132. Enough to go around for a day. For the week, we're around plus $1,100. As you can see, this is the trading view history. I can't alter it and change it in any way. And I'm gonna be showing my trading results here. So until see you again, good holidays and take care.